Morning ride, 7 a.m. Marina Bay East Gardens. Crisscross the barrage, which is behind me, heading towards East Coast Park. Look at the beautiful scenery. Whew. It's incredible. Views of Singapore this morning. Slightly wet road, so ride carefully. Nothing like the glorious morning breeze before the sun rises. No many people down. Some people walking, some people jogging. Few cyclists, but there will be more. Nice, isn't it? Woo. Liberation. Come here, take a ride in the morning. It's beautiful. It really is. And as we approach Sheares Bridge in front, that's where we will turn off to East Coast Park, which is on the right side, roughly speaking. Branches and twigs on the road, so ride carefully. For jogging, look at that, Marina Bay Sands. Yep, right ahead, Sheares Bridge. Sunrise. Sheares Bridge. F1 pit over there. Okay, peeps. Talk to you later. Bye. Just wanted to show you the wonderful Sheares Bridge as I approach it. I'm going to turn out now to the right side. As you can see, it's coming up some barricades. Got to slow down. Turn to the right toward East Coast Park. So I just want to get close to it. Show you what the Sheares Bridge below looks like. You're coming for a walk or a ride. It is really beautiful. Okay, slow down. Ciao, ciao. After turning right at Sheares Bridge, you get on this connecting road where we will hit the main road a bit. Brings us across a zebra crossing to, can you see already, East Coast Park connector right in front. Here it is, East Coast Park connector. Just came from there. At the road, you turn right, coming towards it, and you can easily find this clearly labeled PCN zebra crossing. Bye.